Now, who is over the CRA is the CTM, the clinical trial manager. And that clinical trial manager is overseeing the entire study. So they may have multiple CRAs or monitors under them. They may have 5 to 10, depending on the site, depending on the study. And then they may have 50 clinics, 50 sites, 50 different investigators that are working on the study. And the CTM, the clinical trial manager, is managing that whole landscape, making sure everything is running. So a typical day for a CTM could be, let me look at my calendar. What calls do I have? Who am I meeting with? Am I meeting with another party, like a department, like data management? Am I meeting with the sponsor representative from Merck or Johnson & Johnson to give them an update on the study? I usually, as a CTM, you typically are in meetings about half of your day. So that's about, you want to look to see what meetings you have, and then you want to prepare for those meetings. Sometimes you have to create a slide deck, a PowerPoint slide deck to give updates, or, talk about issues, get your talking points together about what you're going to talk about in that meeting. The other half of the day, you're responding to emails that could be coming in from various departments. It could be coming in from the doctor. Hey, I have a medical issue with one of the patients. I need to talk to the medical monitor on the study. And so you're coordinating a call between those two parties, the doctor and the medical monitor who's overseeing the study. Your CRAs who are traveling, they could be having an issue on site. And so you have to help them. So it's a lot of firefighting in a day. It's like, okay, let me follow up with this person. Let me help this person. That's what you're doing. But ultimately, you're also having to keep in mind the overarching study and the deliverables and the timelines to make sure that the study stays on track, and identify any risks and then how to mitigate those risks too. So that's like in a quick and dirty CTM, what do you do in a day? And one task, you could go down a rabbit hole. You could be over here trying to figure out an answer to something, or trying to figure out new solutions for recruiting patients, because recruitment is slow. And so it could take you a while just to work through all of those things. By the time you look up, it's 5 o'clock. You're like, oh, I'll come back and start it over again.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.